Backpacking might seem like an expensive activity for many beginners, but it doesn't always have to be. There is a great deal of gear available that do fit in the term ultralight without breaking the bank. And we're going to show you exactly those in today's video of 25 budget backpacking gear for beginners. The purchase links and updated prices are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let's jump right into it. The Hydropack Contour reservoir, with its slim profile combined with shape lock baffles, ensures water stays stable, preventing annoying sloshing while on the move. With a soft, flexible handle, it's easy to fill and carry. And the wide-opening slide seal top guarantees a leak-proof closure. The thoughtful design includes a 3D bottom for a streamlined fit in your pack, while the side-mounted tube connection offers convenient access when you need a quick sip. Additionally, the Contour's universal hanger allows it to attach seamlessly to various backpacks, adding flexibility to your setup. The self-sealing Comet Bite valve, equipped with a magnet, ensures secure attachment to pack straps and leak-proof operation with simple thumb activation. Available in sizes from 1.5 to 3 liters, the Contour is made from BPA and PVC-free materials and backed by Hydropack's Beyond Lifetime Guarantee, providing confidence in quality and durability. The 1.5-liter version is perfectly budget-friendly for any backpacker. The GigaPower stove ticks all the right boxes. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry, perfect for those who need to minimize weight in their pack. Despite its small size, this stove packs a punch with a powerful 10,000 BTU output, ensuring rapid boiling times for quick meals on the go. The 4 foldable arms provide excellent stability, even on uneven ground, making it ideal for varied terrains you might encounter while camping or hiking. Not only is it durable and functional, but its elegant design also adds a touch of style to your outdoor cooking setup. Whether you're preparing a hot meal after a long day on the trail or simply boiling water for coffee, the GigaPower stove delivers both efficiency and convenience, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious backpackers who don't want to compromise on performance. The TrueArc 5 compass is an outstanding tool for intensive map work and just the right size for backpacking. It's built with a large base plate, ensuring accurate triangulation for anyone needing to navigate challenging terrain. Moreover, the global needle is capable of tilting up to 20 degrees, making it ideal for use worldwide. With tool-free declination adjustment, users can easily orient magnetic north to true north, streamlining navigation in diverse environments. For those working with fine map details, the map magnifier is a bonus, enhancing visibility. Coupled with a 2-degree resolution azimuth ring for precision, the TrueArc 5 offers everything a budget-conscious backpacker needs for reliable, detailed navigation. Finding an ultralight tent on a budget is a bit hard, but the NatureHike Vic 2 makes the cut, weighing in at just 3.6 pounds, a bit on the heavier side, but this tent is perfect for those looking to keep their load light while hiking, cycling, or exploring the outdoors. Its innovative double Y freestanding structure makes setup quick and easy, even in rainy conditions, keeping the inner tent dry and comfortable. Built with durable 15D nylon lattice fabric and a silicone-coated waterproof layer, it's designed to stand up against wind and rain while ensuring you stay protected. The tent's design also prioritizes ventilation, featuring 2 ceiling vents and skylights that work together to minimize condensation. With a roomy interior measuring 83 by 45 by 35 inches, it comfortably accommodates 1 to 2 people, and the vestibule provides extra storage space for gear. Snapfold Bowls offers an eco-friendly, practical solution to enjoying meals on the trail without the hassle of disposable waste. Weighing in at just 1.4 ounces each, these lightweight bowls are incredibly easy to carry, making them perfect for anyone trying to keep their backpack weight down. Their durability ensures they'll withstand the rigors of outdoor use, while their simple, foldable design makes them effortless to clean and pack away when not in use. By opting for these reusable bowls, outdoor enthusiasts not only reduce their environmental footprint, but also save money by eliminating the need for single-use alternatives. Whether it's for snacks or full meals, Snapfold Bowls provides a reliable, sustainable option for any backpacking trip, aligning with the growing push towards more responsible and environmentally conscious outdoor living. Never be disconnected from people who care about you with the Motorola Defi Satellite Link, a GPS communicator. This compact device offers two-way SMS messaging and an SOS alerting feature that uses satellite technology to keep you connected, even in remote wilderness areas where cell service is non-existent. One standout feature is its emergency SOS, which allows users to send alerts with precise GPS coordinates, offering critical safety backup. Compatible with both iOS and Android via Bluetooth, this communicator can seamlessly pair with your smartphone for easier navigation and messaging. It's perfect for multi-sport adventurers, whether you're hiking, camping, or tackling remote trails. Affordable service plans make it accessible for most budgets without compromising safety. Designed to endure outdoor conditions, the Defi Satellite Link is a solid, budget-friendly option for explorers needing a lifeline in remote backcountry locations. For budget backpackers looking for a reliable fixed blade, the Gerber Convoy is a solid pick with its slim profile and rugged design. Crafted for the outdoors, this knife features a 440A drop-point blade, sleek stonewash finish, providing versatility for tasks like slicing, cutting, and camp chores. Its full-tank construction enhances both balance and durability, while the ergonomic micarta handle ensures a secure grip in all weather conditions, ideal for wet or humid hikes. At an overall length of 8.52 inches and a blade length of 3.9 inches, it's compact yet effective. It also comes with a glass-filled nylon sheath that includes a removable belt loop arm and secondary retention strap, making it easy to carry safely on the move. Weighing just 4.06 ounces, the Gerber Convoy is lightweight, strong, and designed with lash points for additional versatility, fitting seamlessly into any budget backpacking kit. The Evac compression dry bag offers packers a sturdy, space-efficient storage option. Built with an air-permeable, waterproof event base, it pushes out excess air while keeping gear dry, a feature that's particularly valuable when space is limited. Crafted from recycled 70D nylon fabric with an eco-conscious CO non-PFC DWR finish, this bag stands up to rugged use while considering the environment. You can compress your items by up to 2/3, which is a lifesaver for backpacking and other space-conscious adventures. A reliable, non-wicking roll-top closure with a field repair buckle keeps everything secure, while 4 adjustable compression straps with ladder locks and side release buckles ensure an even, snug fit. The Evac compression dry bag is perfect for those looking to keep their essentials protected and well organized without sacrificing precious pack space, ideal for backpackers who value functionality and durability on the trail. The Snow Peak Titanium Mug is a reliable, budget-friendly piece of gear, perfect for backpackers who appreciate both functionality and lightweight design. Made from high-quality Japanese titanium, this mug features a double wall construction that keeps drinks hot or cold for longer periods, ideal for those chilly mountain mornings or warm afternoons. Moreover, with foldable handles, it's easy to carry and stow, adding to its convenience as an on-the-go beverage container. The mug also pairs well with a titanium spork, making it a versatile and essential item for a full camping setup. Just remember, the double wall insulation means it's not suitable for direct cooking or placing over open flames. Available in 300, 450, and 600 milligrams, the mug strikes a solid balance between durability and practicality, making it an excellent addition to any backpacker's kit. SurviveWare's small first aid kit stands out as a practical and durable option for budget-conscious backpackers seeking a reliable emergency solution. Crafted from tough 600D polyester ripstop with heavy-duty zippers, this compact kit is built to endure the elements and rough terrain. It's water-resistant, which helps protect supplies during wet conditions, ensuring that essentials remain intact and accessible. Inside, the kit's organized layout is thoughtfully arranged, allowing for quick access to bandages, antiseptics, and more in critical moments. Versatile design, this first aid kit can attach to backpacks, belts, or even bikes, keeping safety supplies always within reach. Emphasizing preparedness, SurviveWare kit provides peace of mind for both solo adventurers and group trips alike, helping you stay ready for anything nature might throw your way.